Hi, it's Art again from Few Texts Later. And today we will look at Xiaomi's newest IP camera that is 100% wireless that you can take outdoors. Let's unbox it and see what it can do. If you're into tech and smart home in particular, consider subscribing. That's what this channel is all about. Don't forget to click the bell to get notified when we put out long-term review videos just like this one. So what we got is the Mi wireless outdoor security camera from Xiaomi. Before anything else, yes, Xiaomi did send this over for us to test it out. And as always, they just want to see my thoughts about this product and want to know what they can improve on. That being said, if you happen to own another outdoor camera that works with the Mi Home app, which is almost identical to the one we have, maybe you got the iMi EC2 outdoor camera. Let's check what comes in the box. So what we got is the outdoor camera itself, some screws for mounting, manual and warranty guide, the hub that can connect up to 4 outdoor cameras, Ethernet cable, a charging cable. Yes, it's a USB-C, and that's it. Nothing else in here. First, let's talk about the charging cable. Since it's USB-C, you can use that to charge up the camera when the battery is dying, and you can use it to power up the hub as well when you're not charging any camera. I really appreciate what Xiaomi did on the charging cable, since most IP cameras that we got here only works with a micro USB cable. Nowadays, USB-C is the new standard, so props to Xiaomi for making that transition. Now let's talk about the hub that acts as its storage compartment. Some outdoor cameras only have onboard storage, which is kinda risky. If the camera is stolen, that means the footage goes with it if you don't have any cloud recording enabled. So the hub can stay indoors for safety reasons, and it accepts either an SD card, which is the most common way for storing videos on an IP camera locally, or using a flash drive, which is unusual but practical, especially if you have spare flash drives lying around. You can use that to store any footage that this camera caught, and the base station or the hub or receiver, whatever you want to call it, supports Ethernet cable where you can plug the hub directly to your router for more reliable connection, since it's an outdoor camera where Wi-Fi signal can be tricky and inconsistent. Now here's the IP camera. It's kind of bulky, but that's completely understandable since it has its own 5700 mAh battery that you can charge up. And Xiaomi claims it can last up to 90 days or roughly 3 months before your next charge. In front, you got the LED indicator, the camera itself, and this is the PIR sensor. The camera can shoot 1080p video quality with a 130-degree field of view. And since it's an outdoor camera, it has an IP rating of IP65 that can pretty much withstand rain and dust even in the toughest conditions. Now it's time to set this thing up. Use the included charging cable to charge up the camera, but please note, it doesn't come with a charging brick. Now, while waiting for the camera to be charged, time to download the Mi Home app if you don't have that app yet. Just simply head over to Google Play Store and Apple App Store, create an account, then log in. Once you're in, first thing you need to do is to take the charging cable from the camera and plug in the hub to a wall socket. And here is where the difficult part came in. Just to set your proper expectation, setting up the receiver or the hub to the Mi Home app is not easy. I had some issues along the way, but here's the best route you can take to avoid having the same issues. Now from the app, tap the plus sign on the upper right corner, select video camera. Then the app will start scanning a QR code. Don't scan anything, but rather tap no QR code available and add manually. After that, Scroll down, look for this guy. Make sure this is the one you selected. Then for now, select the Wi-Fi connection. If you want to connect the hub through an Ethernet cable included, you can just simply change it later. After that, tap next. Now use a SIM ejector tool to reset the camera receiver. You will see the LED indicator flashing. Make sure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and the Bluetooth should be on. Right after that, just follow the on-screen instruction and you should be good to go. And right after that, just add the camera. From here on, it's just pretty straightforward. All you need to do is be patient when adding the receiver, at least in my case, but if you don't have that issue, good for you. So what do I think? I admire Xiaomi for their inexpensive smart home devices, and this Mi wireless outdoor security camera 1080p is no exemption. Build quality is top-notch. IP cameras are in here, weatherproof, USB-C charging, battery that can last 2 months, hub or receiver for more secured footage, flash drive as an alternative to an SD card. But if you want to know more about this camera and everything smart home related, we will create another video talking about our long-term review and final thoughts of this device. We will go in depth with all the features that this camera offers. And there you go. If you find this video helpful, a like is greatly appreciated. And for more smart home and unboxing videos, consider subscribing. This is Art again from Few Techs Later. Thanks for watching. See you next week.